Do you know that your dream is not yours? It's somebody else's dream? Maybe it's your mother's dream, father's dream, or your society that made you believe it's a dream that you have to achieve. The way we have been taught to achieve life, it's a real torture for some of us. I always ask myself, is life study, get job, get married, have kids, get a house, get a car, get this, get that? That's it? That's it? I feel like we're missing something. Something's wrong. There must be something wrong. People are losing themselves. They're losing their humanity. Everybody running after material things. Greedy people are destroying the world, and we are watching and participating and clapping hands for them. There must be something wrong with us. If you are one of the highly sensitive people, I'm sure you are overwhelmed by everything happening around you. I wish I knew that before. Sad music, sad movies, sad news affect your mood. If you absorb sadness from the media, try to avoid it. You are one of the highly sensitive people. You are like a sponge that absorb everything easily. So taking care of yourself is your obligation. Nobody can do it. You have to do it. I wish one day we hold each other's hand and celebrate zero poverty, zero nature harm, and zero violence. You may think it's impossible, but yes, we can do it. Anything, everything, we can do it together. We've just to give it a chance and try harder. Together.